Happy 4th of July, everybody. It's Friday, but I'm not going camping. Heather's at work, and I thought I'd do some just standard maintenance on the RV. So I thought I'd share what I do, and if you guys do something different, please comment down below. So I got a couple products here. These are products I use most of the time. This is Thetford slide out and rubber seal conditioner. This is just some white lithium grease. I use that for all of the jacks, the stairs, and pretty much anything else that has moving parts metal. This is, I don't use this much because now we have the frameless windows, but I did use this on the Chaparral. This is just the 3-in-1 window track lube. So on the slide out we have the track windows, and I could still use this on there. I haven't even hardly used that, it's pretty full. And then this one is the slide out lube by 3-in-1. I don't really care for this, so what I've been using is just the lithium grease on the slide out. Along with that, when I wash the exterior of the RV, I mostly use a little bit of Dawn dish soap and water. This seal here, when it is warm, this seal will stick to the back side of your window, and you will actually feel right there, not sure if you can see that, there is rubber that has ripped off of this rubber seal and stuck to the window. That's normally when it's really hot out and you've had the camper closed up, and you go open the windows and you can actually hear it just sticking right to that. So what I've been using is that slide out seal conditioner, and I'll just put a little bit on a paper towel or a tiny little sponge and just rub it all around these. Keep those seals conditioned. Just got done putting the rubber seal conditioner on all these seams on the frameless window, and then this I used the track lube for these side windows. So this is how I do it. I have just a little microcloth. Let me hold this. And I take it and I just spray it in spots, because it goes everywhere. Let me throw that down. Then I just take my hand and I just kind of condition it into that whole rubber seal. I take this around here, all the way up around. Then I take the microcloth and just wipe off the fiberglass. Not sure it'll hurt it, but I just don't want it there. And there you go. That took me less than 10 minutes to go around the whole rig. So this is how you do your seal. Same idea as doing the windows. I'm gonna have to get onto the roof to get the top, but you just want to coat it all over. Go back by, wipe that off. And you don't even have to rub it in. This might be super toxic for your hands, but I just did these about a week ago, so they are still very conditioned. I had on my Chaparral, we didn't keep up on this, and put the slide out once, and it ripped the seal right off the side and was stuck to here. So definitely keep your seals lubed. So I'll get on the roof and lean over and do about a foot down from the top here and then all the way across. You might ask, why the hell is John under his camper? This is the concern right here. These are all around the bottom of your trailer. And sometimes they don't look like that. I can't show you. Oh, when you have stairs, the bolt's right here, but it's the same thing. This is just a bigger tab because it's housing the stairs. Well, today, since I'm doing maintenance, I decided I'm going to check these out. And guess what? I grabbed a 9/16 socket and put it on there. I've already done this whole side. It took me less than 15 minutes to go down this side of the camper and make sure all those were tightened up. After I did that and I walked in the camper didn't shift around as much. Hard to believe, but it didn't, especially right here around the stairs. I'm actually going to go around to all the bolts on the axles and everything too and just make sure those are tight. This one is so loose, friends. I could turn it with my finger. Look at this. I'm turning that with my hand. And this is holding the front corner of my camper on. Look at this. Sorry for the shaky video. Look at this. This is insane. I don't want to go too tight for fear of snapping a bolt. But look at this. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to go all the way down. The third one. So far they've all been loose on this side. Sorry again for the angle. Loose again. Alright, this is the fourth one. Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, finger loose. There's another one. Oh my gosh, that's not even tight. What is going on? These are not even tight. I'm scared to even check those. Okay, so far 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 have been loose. This is my slide out. Loose. Not real bad, but loose. Another one. Not real bad, but I don't think it's supposed to be that loose. It's the other end of the slide out. Okay, that thing is tight. Okay, those are tight. That's good because this is the end with the motor. So we got another one of these tabs here. Let's see how that one is. Loose. This is why you gotta check the stuff yourself, people. And if you can't, when you take it into your dealer, ask them. Say, I need you to go around and check all those bolts for me. Because you don't want to be driving down the road in your box rip off. I'm sure there's other bolts holding the box on. What the? Too big. Like my hat. Used to be my favorite hat, but it is ripped up, has holes in it, and I pretty much just use it to keep the spiders out of my hair. Well, I guess I got to finish this up. I just called our son Gavin and said, go out and tell your dad it's going to storm really bad, so he better get stuff put away. And I got the camper wide open. I finished up all of the main bolts on the axles, the leaf springs, and all that. And I'm happy to say there was not one loose bolt on any of that. The whole rig feels tighter. I can't believe it, but it does. Okay, so I got to close this up. That storm is moving in really quick, and it is getting darker and darker by the second. Check this out. Just got it. Oh yeah. You can get it with an optional lock. I know that can be cut off, but more than anything, this is going to keep it from flying off, if it would. There's two different qualities you can get from this company. One is more like the tire cover you're used to getting on your RV that's kind of felt backing. I'll show you on our old one. And then this one that's more a marine grade. It's kind of the same material as it is on the inside. It still has to stretch out because it was folded up pretty darn good in the bag when we got it. Has like a few little kinks there. I just got to adjust it. But I'm very happy with it. You can have anything you want made. You just have to send them the correct type of file. Hold on a minute. Somebody's trying to escape. Pepper. Hey. Where do you think you're going? Huh? Let's stay on the patio. The hawks will come down and eat you. Come on. Say hi to your friends. This is the tire cover that came with our Whitehawk, and you can see the inside is kind of like a felt back. It's that's their lower quality tire cover. The company is tirecover.com. It has online This same chart here is online, so you can find my tire was a 205/75 R14, so that is a J. That way they know what size. Comes with your little padlock if you choose to add that. Definitely check them out if you're looking for a customized tire cover or just something better than what came with your camper. So there you go, give you another look. Hey, you cannot escape. You must stay on the patio. Okay? You gotta stay on the patio. So we'll catch you later. Remember, the only thing better than a campfire are the memories you make around it. See ya.